Good day and thank you for your purchase of your Sublimation 101 6-in-1 mug press. How do we set it up? Very simple. Come on over, guys. First of all, you're going to see an array of sublimation pads. These are for your different shape mugs, your curves, your water bottles, and more. How do we interchange them? Very simply. We're going to take the two screws in the front and the back of the top of the machine right here. We're just going to loosen them up, and we're simply going to slide our pad out. We're going to unplug it like so. And let's say we were doing large curved drinkware. We're simply going to take our pad. We're going to line up the pad right under to the metal. Be careful, that might be sharp. You're simply going to insert right back into your mug press like so. Tighten up all four. Plug it in. Remember, the groove right here goes on the bottom. And flip it on and you're ready to make mugs. Come on over, I'm going to show you how to set the time and temperature. When you're doing mugs, you're going to turn your machine on. It's simply going to do a countdown. Once it does its countdown, you push the mode button once. You're going to set that for 350. 350 set. Push the mode button again. Set temperature at 380. Push mode button again. Set your time. You can just simply hold it down. And then once you get it set, you push the mode button again. Let the machine warm up to 350. Once you're at 350, you're going to have your sublimation transfer on your mug. You're going to close down and push the start button. You will notice that the temperature will drop and then rise. Let everything go in the machine to its full countdown to 60 seconds. It'll do a solid beep. You're going to take your mug out. Remember, your drinkable is going to be very hot. Hold it by the handle. Remove the paper, put it into room temperature water, and you're finished. Any further questions on your setup, give us a call at 1-877-528-8288. Thank you and have a great day.